I go by the name of John from johnmcneil.com, and in this video I'm super excited because I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day with CPA marketing, and I'm actually going to show you how to do it for absolutely free. You don't want to miss this one, guys. We're starting right now. Alright guys, John from johnmcneil.com. Before we actually jump into the video, I wanted you guys to just make sure that you come over to my website, johnmcneil.com, and go ahead and download this free report. It's going to show you how to start your affiliate marketing business from scratch, from A to Z. It's going to show you how you can actually legally steal the traffic from the gurus and find out where they're actually marketing and making their sales at, and you're going to be able to step in front of that traffic and sell your product. So make sure you go ahead and grab that free ebook. So without further ado, let's go and jump into this video, how to make $100 a day with CPA. I'm going to show you how to do it for free, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, so I'm in the back office of Max Bounty, which is one of my CPA platforms. And let's just talk a little bit about CPA. How do you get basically approved to get in a CPA network? So in order to get approved for a CPA network, more than likely you're going to have a website or some sort of online presence, because when you try to sign up for these platforms, they want to basically know that you have an idea of what you're actually doing in terms of marketing online. So you don't have to be a pro, or you don't have to show income or anything stupid like that. But they want to know that maybe you have a website, maybe you have a social media following, maybe you have a YouTube channel, maybe you have a Facebook or Instagram. Or if you don't have any of that stuff, how can you let them know that you know how to market? Or do you do pay-per-click? Do you do blogging? Do you do article marketing? Do you do forum posting? What can you do, or what kind of skill set can you explain to them to say, okay, hey, I can do this. Go ahead and let me into this CPA network. So essentially, for most people, if you have any type of blog or website, or any kind of social media following, you can show that you're building it, they'll pretty much let you in. So it's not that difficult. You just fill out the application, and then sometimes they'll give you a call and just kind of make sure, verify that you're the person, and kind of just talk to you literally like a minute, just saying, how do you plan to market these offers? But once you get approved, you're in and you're golden. And then, the best way I think to start making money with CPA is doing lead submits, because you don't have to get anybody to actually purchase something. And then, so the way that we're going to be positioning, creating income with CPA is we're going to do it for free, because typically you either would have to have a list of people in that niche to start sending your CPA offers to, or you would actually have to start doing ads on Facebook or Google or Bing in order to make money. And the idea would be to spend $1 in ads and make $2, $3, $4 in income. And that's fine, you can do that, but a lot of times if you're not experienced with doing ads, it can, it could be a little bit difficult. You could lose some money at first. And if the product has a lot of competition, you can also, spend your shirt sometime just trying to get to those top ad spots, because they're taken by some of these people that are spending, it could be $10 a click or something like that, if they know their ROI. So you have to really know what you're doing when you're gonna start doing those ads like that. So in the purpose of this video is to kind of show you a different way of actually promoting CPA offers for free. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pick an offer really quick. I'm not gonna take a lot of time doing this. Just pick something. Okay, let's just go with this Blue Sky Auto Finance, and it's $8 per lead. So let's just click on it and check it out really fast. It basically says that the offer converts on a 2-page submit after submitting the zip code, and then you're gonna make $8 per lead. So what we can do is we can look at the landing page here and just see what it looks like. Okay, this is for auto financing. And then, so here's what we're going to be doing. So the first thing we want to do is qualify that this is a viable offer that people would actually, it's actually worth our time doing something with this offer so that we can see we're going to be able to make some money with it. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab this domain. I'm going to copy the domain, and then I'm going to go over to a website called iSpionage. I think I pronounced that correctly, iSpionage. I'm just going to paste the domain here in the field, and then I'm just going to hit search. This is some ninja stuff, guys. You know, people don't give this stuff away for free. So now look, I'm actually analyzing this actual domain, right? So then what I can do is I want to go over to where it says PPC keywords, because I want to see who's actually spending money to advertise this site, this blueskyautoffinance.com site. And the first thing I want to do is I want to get like the latest results. So I'm going to sort by last seen, so we can see that people have advertised in the last month. And then I want to basically sort by days seen. And what days seen is going to tell me is, you know, how long people have actually been paying for ads. And as you can see here, we already have some keywords that have been up. People have had ads up for 291 days, 327 days, 359 days. These keywords, people are paying for over a year, or almost a year. And if they're paying for almost a year to run this ad, you know that they are making money, right? So there's money to be made. So we already know that this is a valuable option in order to actually sell or, you know, make this CPA market. So like they're running these keywords right here. So if I wanted to beat them out, I would pretty much need to basically outbid these people. But what I want to show you guys here today is how you can actually, you know, take this method and basically create a website, a blog, these little small, simple, like sniper sites that you're going to be able to take these same keywords that you find, these money keywords, and then you're going to get them ranked organically in Google, and then you're going to get free traffic. So basically what I want to do is I want to show you guys this course that I've actually just started going through. It's called Passive Income Formula, and it's by a guy named William and Samuel, and this just came out maybe a couple weeks ago, and I've been going through the course, and this is kind of like what I've been learning in the course in terms of, you know, taking, you know, high converting products, high converting CPA offers, whether they're ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, any offer that you can find, you can go ahead and start analyzing that offer to see if, you know, people are actually paying for specific traffic. And then you can actually take these long tail keywords. They actually show you, you know, step by step. There's a ton of videos in here, like how to actually find these money keywords, and they focus on like the long tail keywords. And then they show you how to find the particular ones that actual people are searching, people are spending money on in terms of PPC. And then they actually show you how to actually rank those particular keywords in the search engines. And what I thought was super cool about this course was they show you, you know, for instance, when you Google something, you know, you have like your organic results, right? And so you're going to be like, well, how in the world am I going to outrank those organic results? Because they probably have authority, or, you know, they've been around and I'm new and I don't know what I'm doing. Well, in this course, they actually show you how to optimize your post for these little small little one-page sniper sites. They call them, like he calls them, passive income machines. But they show you how to basically optimize your actual post so that they optimize it for what's already coming up in Google. So it analyzes what Google is recognizing as what is more relevant for the keywords that you're typing in. And then it takes that data and spits out the information and what you need to do in terms of creating your post and linking your different money keywords together in order to get those top spots. And once you get those top spots, guys, it's free traffic and it's like money on demand. And they show you how to do this in this course called Passive Income Formula. They have case studies. They show you how to do it with ClickBank. They show you how to do it with launch jacking, you know, the JVZoo product, the Warrior Farm products. And then they give you, you know, just everything kind of step by step in terms of the tools and things that you'll need in order to make this work for you. Now, the only thing that I felt that they were leaving out of this course was just the actual step by step of setting up a WordPress website. When I was going through it, they were kind of showing you, they were going in depth with keywords and then in depth with like how you create the post and get it ranked and everything like that. But they didn't really go in depth in terms of, you know, how do you actually, you know, buy your hosting and just set up your WordPress website. So if you guys want to purchase this course, it'll be in the description below. I have a link. I'll actually give you access to some video training that shows you just how to set up your WordPress website. If you're just completely a beginner and you don't know how to do that, I'll give you a video on how to do that. But if you know how to set up WordPress websites, you are going to be good to go, and you're going to learn a lot of information in regards to like how to get your stuff ranked super quick and start making this passive income. So just to let you guys see just a snapshot of the sales page. Again, it's called Passive Income Formula. You know, they have case studies showing where they're making an average of $116 plus per day with these passive income machines. The guy that actually teaches the course, he's made hundreds of thousands of dollars with this method that they're going to be teaching you. 100% newbie free, using, again, free traffic, step-by-step training. And at the time of me creating this video, it's about $10. So obviously it's very low cost for a ton of value that you're going to get. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. So that's how you can actually make, you know, $100 plus with CPA. Is you're going to basically find out those targeted keywords, and then instead of, you know, paying out the nose, or, you know, if you don't know what you're doing in terms of pay-per-click, you can create these little sniper sites, right, and get free traffic. Guys, this is John for JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. I love you guys. I'm going to see you on the next video. Peace.